Poila Boishakh is another Bengali New Year. According to the Bengali calendar, it is not only the first day of the year, but it's also an emotion. Bongs might have a crazy day. The atmosphere begins to set with the arrival of Chaitra, the final month of the Bengali calendar. When we step down the lanes and by lanes of every Bengali housing or colony, we get the impression that a new beginning is beckoning. This day in April represents a fresh start for most families, which Bongs secretly anticipates. The famous Bengali Poila is celebrated on the first day of the first month of the Bengali calendar, which is known as Boishakhi. Every year, in the middle of April, all Bengalis around the world celebrate this festival. From profitable company to retaining healthy relationship, everybody is out of reach and refresh current relationship. Often, since it is a new year, they aim to cut all bad ties and cancel all pending financial obligations during this period.
লাগিয়ে পানে তোমার খোলা হাওয়া টুকরো করে কাছি আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে